Today I'll show a Docker Swarm deployment and an initial attempt to rebalance containers among the nodes. Now this is the Docker Swarm Visualizer app running in a swarm of 4 nodes. These 4 nodes are Raspberry Pi devices. The first one is the Swarm Manager, and then we have 3 worker nodes. The Docker Swarm also hosts the internet.io website. So the internet blog Docker service has a replication count of 4, so that gives us 1 container on each of the 4 swarm nodes. Now let's see what happens when 2 of the nodes fail. We'll just unplug the network interface. The manager node will start to spawn new containers on the available nodes to fulfill the replication count of 4. Now let's bring the 2 nodes back online. Alright, so the 2 nodes are connected to the Ethernet switch. Adding new nodes to the swarm will not automatically rebalance the containers. So what we can do is we can force update the service running this command here. So this will basically stop each of the running containers and create a replacement container, one at a time. This takes a while, so let's fast forward. The force update of the service can take quite a while, so in this case it's about 50 seconds. Let's try a different approach to rebalance the containers. First, let's get back to the original state where we have 2 down nodes, and then we'll rejoin them to the swarm. So here's the idea. Instead of force updating the service, we can scale the replication count down to the number of nodes that currently run containers. This way, we ensure that the nodes will run at most 1 container of the service. Next, we scale the service up to the original replication count. This will redistribute the containers across all available nodes. Let's connect the nodes back again. To find the number of nodes for scaling the service down and up, we can run the shell script shown here. The script can be found on GitHub, and there's a link in the description. We can see that doubled containers on nodes 1 and 4 are gone after the service got scaled down to 2. Next, this script scales the service back to 4 replicated containers, and this should spread the containers to include the 2 nodes that became available. This only took 20 seconds,